Hi everyone, I am Abhishek, and in this video I'll show you how I built an automated pipeline in the make.com. So what it does is pretty simple. It takes the RSA feed, runs them through the Google Gemini AI model, and then saves the results into Google Sheet and then send them to me by an email. Cool part is it doesn't require any code. You just add the module you need, connect them with some simple logic, and that's it. Everything happens visually. No backend coding is required, no complicated setups. This is the first step of the automation, the RSS module. The RSS stands for really simple syndication, and it is a web format that automatically shares the updates from the website like article or a blog post or a trending topic in the structured feed. So I have connected the RSS feed to the Google Trend by using the RSS link. RSS link is this one. So I have taken the Google Trend website. This is the one. So this is basically all the trending topics which is present in the Google Trend website for India. This is a filter for India. And what this does is automatically fetch the latest trending topics from Google for India. And I have set the maximum number of returns items as 10, which means that make will process up only 10 new records each time the scenario is run, keeping this number small because it helps to avoid the timeouts or delays or making the workflow really smooth. Basically, this module keeps watching the feed for new update, and whenever a new update comes or appears, it triggers the rest of the pipeline by sending this data to Google Gemini, and from Google Gemini the data will go to Google Sheet and then it will trigger email. Now let's move toward the most interesting part of this project, the Google Gemini AI module. I have connected it by using the Google API key, which lets this make.com directly talk to the Gemini Flash 3.5 module, which is the Google latest AI model. So this is where the API, you can create the API key aistudio.google.com. You can create an API key here and then copy your key ID from here and then paste it, add API key here and then save it. And this model takes the trending topics coming from the RSS feed and then process them through the Gemini. I have set up a structured prompt here. This prompt will basically tell exactly what kind of output I want. It generates a video title, a hook for 10 seconds, angle. It will explain the value and structure in 2 to 3 sentences and a few keywords. I have also added some system instructions here that guides the AI to keep the content friendly, avoid the clickbaits, and like use the Indian examples when relevant. Everything is formatted in the JSON format so that the next module can easily read and use the data. In short, this step transforms the raw data coming from the RSS feed and polish it into clean, ready to use content ideas. All this is powered by the Google Gemini AI engine. After Gemini AI generates the response, I will use this JSON module to break that output into separate usable fields. Gemini sends the structured data, the things like in this project video title, hook, angle, and the keyword inside the JSON format. So this module reads that JSON and converts it into the individual data points that this website can understand. I have created a custom data structure here called as my data structure, and if I show you what's inside this, the specifications are the video title, the name of it, description is not edit, the type is text. Similarly, hook underscore 10 seconds, this is the hook, it is in the text format. This is the angle, this is in the text format, and these are the keywords is a list and it is in the text format, and I will just save it. These JSON string fields is mapped to the result coming from the Gemini. So every time when the AI model sends the new data, this model automatically parses it and clean the data, organize the values in the next step like the Google Sheet or the Gmail. In short, this step acts like a translator between Google Gemini AI and the rest of the workflow, such as Google Sheet and emails. Now, coming towards the Google Sheet module, I have connected my Google account here. By clicking on this add button and sign in with Google, you can add your Google account and link your account to this Google Sheet. Since I have already done, I'll not link it again. So you will have to create a new worksheet in your Google account. So this is my worksheet name, trend book, and these are the headers which I have used, video title, hook, angle, and keywords, and everything here is blank because the RSS feed will automatically fetch the data from the relevant web page, that is Google Trend, and Google Gemini AI model will directly put all the information here in the trend book. So basically in the Google Sheet we have information like search method. So we are searching this file, basically the trend book, by a path. The drive is my drive. These are the option shared with me and Google share drive. It's in my drive, so I've selected my drive, and the spreadsheet name is my trend book, and this is the sheet one. Basically if we had multiple sheets in this same worksheet, we can select which one we have to use. This is the sheet one. Column header id, as columns of the IDs I have kept as no. Connect this and just click on refresh here. It will refresh the columns which are present here. So video title, hook, angle and keywords A, B, C, D. It will get all the information here. So now you will have to choose what kind of information you will have to put inside these columns. So video title column will have the video information, title information, hook will have the hook information, angle will have the video angle, keywords will have the keyword. So basically you will have to click on this cell and click whatever you need from the JSON. Once we have the information in the Google Sheet, then the information will be sent to our inbox via this email module. So again, like we did in the Google Sheet, you will have to connect your Google account with the Gmail module as well. So you'll have to click on add here and sign in with the Google. I have already signed in, so I'll not do it again. So the recipient mail ID, so this is my email ID. On this email I'll get the relevant email. Subject is new trending video idea, so this will be the email subject. Body type, so this will be a collection of contents such as text, images, links, etc., and the body content. So this is how I want my email to look. Header will be trending topic, and the header I have chosen from the title module. Once I click here, it will take the information from the RSS feed, what's the title of the topic. Then ideas, hook and angle, it will take from the JSON. This is JSON only. Okay, yes, and this will be the link of the original trend page, and this will say at the end of the email that this is auto generated by make.com, and I will click on save. So now that our pipeline is set up, I'll show you how we run this pipeline, how the RSS will look for the trending topic, how this model will do its job till the Gmail. So I will click on run once. Now the RSS module is looking for the trending topic. This is running now. So this Google Sheet added a new row to the trend book, and it also sent out an email. The video title is how to get zero electricity bill with the PM Surya Ghar scheme. Hook is this, angle and keyword is PM Surya Ghar. So this is how it sent the information to the workbook and the email as well. I'll show you. I'll just refresh this and you will see this is the email. So a trending video idea is the topic. Trending topic is, I don't know what this language is. Idea is how to get the same which it is written in the workbook. This is the hook of the video, this is the angle, and this is the original trend. And here in the bottom it is written as auto generated by make.com. That's the integration RSS pipeline, a simple automated way to turn the trending topic into content ideas with the help of AI. And I hope you found this walkthrough useful. If you did, give it a like. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.